started designing it, what they said is you need to have 2 tall units. You should have ample space in the kitchen. The soft closing opening hinges to make sure that whoever is using it does have the convenience of opening and keeping whatever they want. So this is like for your salt, pepper and all things over here. General stuff that you can keep it here. This one is to keep the spoons, glasses and everything. So yes, this is the best part. So whoever comes in the apartment and who looks at it, they actually like the dustbin the best in the kitchen. Convenience and the hygiene factor of it. If you close it, there's a lid that closes it. Open it, put your dust, whatever you want to, and then close. The flat got actually on rent seeing this dustbin. There's a gentleman called Mr. Shastri. I think who heads their manufacturing department. What he said is, before you decide whether you want to go with CustomFurnish or not, why don't you go and visit the factory? So we visited the factory. They showed all the modern machinery that they had. They showed how polishing is going to be done, how cutting is done, and the output and the quality was fantastic. And then it was like done deal. I mean, we started to look into it and what designs that we want. One of the representatives actually helped in doing the designs, making sure that the fittings and the quality of wood and the quality of veneer and the quality of plywood, everything matches to the standards. Concept, so when we were discussing, I mean, we had a space that we wanted to get a stone veneer done over here. But when we spoke to one of the guys as part of the CustomFurnish, what they said is they've got some new technology and it's called 3D printing. And they said, why don't you try 3D printing? And you can go to, I forgot this thing, Snap Clips or Snapchat, something like that. There are a lot of pictures available and you can get a picture done in a MDF. So this picture that you see is what is being done. The special part of this picture is CustomFurnish gifted it to my wife on her birthday, and they said it is a present for completing the. So this is the final piece that they presented to us, saying that it is a birthday present. I think whoever has seen this flat, they have liked it. They have asked where we got it done, and we told CustomFurnish. A couple of our friends and relatives, they've already approached CustomFurnish. I would strongly recommend, give them a shot. They do a wonderful job.